It's only 45 seconds on
I don't know, maybe.
Do you even need that one?
Well, I want to send it to Mary Kay.
I tried to smile though. Okay.
Wait, I missed it!
Oh.
It stopped! Oh god.
Did I hit my gums?
I don't know.
Come on, Irene!
I'm sorry. Okay.
Is it done?
No.
It is done, isn't it?
No. Stuck.
Oh, it stings.
Breathe. That's...
You're done.
What do you think it was? An earlobe? Keep my hands in the way. What's it sting like? Someone pushed something through you?
Alright, Al. Did it.
Oh my god.
Oh my
No,
god.
way too far.
Does
Does it hurt still?
No.
Hold that. Rinse your mouth again.
oh, it's a
You're
sting.
done. That was it. 2 minutes.
It's like
Could have made it take
a
longer,
minute.
but
Does it still stinging now?
No, it just feels like something's in there.
that's good. There is something in there.
You didn't tell me to breathe in and breathe out.
I don't.
Well,
Most of the
you're
time
supposed to know how
They
to.
go breathe in, and then they do it, but you didn't tell me to do
No, a
that.
lot of times they say breathe in, breathe out.
Oh, it's
Breathe
huge!
in, breathe out.
It's big.
No, it looks fine. You're
Oh.
used to it.
I'm gonna make it smaller.